Namaste everyone and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one we will be checking out this beautiful CMS dashboard, right, that you're seeing right now. So it's built on Django, and in this tutorial we will see how can we use this amazing application for managing the profiles of the staff members, students and the other people. Right. So for that, we'll have to first come on this registration page. This is how it looks like. Okay, here I'm going to register the profile of an HOD first. I'll have to enter a name. Let me enter my own name for now. Not my name. Let me enter some other name because for creating the super user. Okay, so let's create a profile with this. Okay, and now I am going to check whether I will be able to log in into the system or not. So I've successfully logged into the system, and this is how the dashboard of HOD looks like. Right, so we have all the options over here on the left side, and we have this graphical view over here. We have these cards on top, and if I'll just collapse it and let me just show you how it will look on a mobile phone. So this is how it will appear on a mobile device, right? So it's a mobile responsive application that you're seeing right now. Now let's come on manage staff. So there is nothing over here. What we can do, we can add the staff members on a single click. So when you'll click the add staff button, automatically this is the form which you will get to see. Here we are going to add uh, the name of a staff member. Let's use the same name as a username also. Okay, and then here we are going to put the address. Perfect. So we have successfully created the profile of a staff member. Let's come on manage student. So here also you can see there is nothing present in this table. Now if we do add student, so there are some details which we can see are already present over here, right? But we are not going to do the add student from here. I'm going to use a separate way of creating the student profile. So we'll be using the admin portal. Okay, so here we have the students named table where we directly. So entries can be make. You can do the entries in two different ways. One through the portal, and the other way is you can simply access the admin portal and you can make the entry. So I'm going to select Anubhav as an admin because this is what I've created the profile of. I've created a profile of HOD with this name. So that is the reason I'm choosing Anubhav. And gender is female of the person whose profile I'm going to create here. Profile pic, let me select this one for now, and Ghaziabad. Course ID, we don't have. Session ID, okay, we do not have this course ID. Why? I'll tell you, because we don't have anything in the courses. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Let me make the entries over here first. So if I come here on add course, manage course, we can't see any course over here, so we'll simply add a course here. Let's use English honors, add course. I successfully added a course and we can see the details of it over here. Then let's add another course, Hindi Sahitya, and we can see that too over here. Right now, if we come on manage subject, so here also we have to make some entries. we can see the courses which we just added over here. So Hindi Sahitya, and here we can add Hindi literature. Right, so I've successfully added a subject, right, and we can see the details of that subject over here. Then we can come on manage sessions. So uh, I already have some sessions in place over here. If you want to add some new sessions, you can simply go on add session, and from here you can add new sessions. Right, now let's go back here and let's add the student's profile. So add student, here I'm going to select Anubhav, then gender is female, profile pic, let's use solo, address is Shastri Nagar, a random one I'm giving, session ID is this, I've created a profile of a student successfully. Now if I come here on this manage student, I can see the profile of that student over here. Okay, if I want to edit it, I can simply do it like this. Okay, it has been created with this email ID. So this is something which I don't want. So let me just see if I can, edit the details from here or not. So I would like to make it maybe student@gmail.com. Name, Jan, username is going to be maybe again. And here, okay, course, I can't see, edit student. Okay, maybe this function is currently not working. I'll have to check it once, but no problem. I hope you're getting what I have covered till now. So we can add these students, we can add these staff members, we can, and once we are done with adding all the details automatically, we get to see these cards, showing some numbers to us. So how many profiles do we have for students on our portal currently? It's one, right? There is one staff member, there are two courses which the college is offering, and there is one subject. Okay, now if we come on student staff chart, so we can see a pie chart here. This is again a type of chart which is showing the total subjects in each course. This is showing the total student in each course, right? So all this can be seen over here. Now let's talk about staff attendance versus leave. So for that we'll have to update the attendance. Now how that will happen? So we can do it with the help of staff ID. Let me see if I can log in with the help of staff email or not. So it is this, and the password, if I'm not wrong, is name, username 123. Let me see if I can log in through this or not. Okay, I am not able to log in. Maybe I'll have to allow this person to log in from here, from this admin panel. So I'll come on groups. Let me see what I can do from here. Okay, then groups. Okay, I can see the groups, users. Okay, we have three different users over here. If I select it, and okay, just a second, let me give her the permission of staff status, super user status, and let me give her the staff status permission and see if she can log in or not. Okay, and then if I come here and simply do, okay, and then this is password. I'm not able to log in into the portal again. Problem, we'll check some other way. Super status, username is this, password. This is fine. Last login, save, log out, and now let me check if I can log in with this email ID or not. Otherwise, I'll create a separate staff dot stuff@gmail.com. Password is Anita. Okay, so I have created a profile successfully. Let me see if I can log in into the portal. Not through that. Yeah. So I've successfully logged into the portal. So there is one mistake which I did, and it was I created the profile of the staff with the help of HOD, but I was not able to log in. Maybe I should have created it separately, the way I've created Anita's profile here. Okay, take attendance, subject. I am not able to see update, add result, apply leave, feedback. So let me just apply for leave and let's see what's gonna happen. So I think the application for leave will go to the HOD. Let me log out from the application and log in again over here, and this time I'm going to log in with the help of the HOD's ID, which is this, right? Okay, and manage staff. So here we have two staff members now, right? We can see both of them, and let me come down and add staff. Okay, manage student, add student, manage course, add course. Also I've showed you manage subject, add subject, manage session. Also I've showed you. So I've showed you almost all the screens. Staff leave. Okay, so here we are going to see the leaves, right? And student leaves we are going to see here. Staff feedback here, student feedback we will see here. Okay, let's just log out from the application, and this time I'm going to log in with Anita's ID, which is a staff member. Where is Anita's ID? Okay, this is the one. And apply for leave. Okay, and I'm going to apply for a leave on 12th. For 12th. Hi sir, I'm not feeling well. Please provide me leave for 1 day. Okay, thanks. Fine. So this is the leave application, and let me just apply for the leave. Okay, add result. Subjects, I think we haven't assigned her any subject, so that's the reason we are not able to see anything over here. We update attendance. Okay, feedback, we can give the feedback also. It is a nice college. So the most important thing about this application is its look and feel, right? So yes, you can also create such beautiful applications using Django. It's a really great tool, right? And if you'll ask me, I think today it's a really popular application. So that's why I keep requesting people to learn these technologies so that you can also develop these kind of good applications. So yes, we have received the application of leave from Anita over here, and we can do the HOD can do one of the two things. Either he can approve it or reject it. So for now I'm approving it. Okay, that's great. Right, let's see if we have anything over here. Yes, so staff attendance versus leave, we can see this graph updated, right? So this is how it works, right? The student can also apply for leave, and the HOD will approve it. And now if I come on staff feedback, we can see the feedback of staff over here. If I have to reply to it, yes, so it's a communication system, right, that is in place in this application. So let me just thank you so very much for your feedback. It's a great two-way communication platform that we have in place in this application, and it's really awesome, right? Log in again. Anita's ID I'm going to use here, and Anita 123. Now we can see the total leads taken over here. Okay, and feedback. Okay, can we see that message which I just sent through the HOD's profile? Let me check it. I think. Okay, so yes, that is not here, but yes, it's there in the system, right? It's in the admin portal. So we can create a separate window. Yeah, okay. So this is what I was looking for. Yeah. So leave apply history. It has been approved, right? And we can see the approval over here. If the HOD would have rejected it, then it would have been rejected in place of approved, right? So this is how you can uh, use this application, and this is something which is not working right now. Feedback history, whatever the message uh, the HOD replied with, got it should have come here, but it's not getting reflected. Maybe the code is not able to pick the data from the table in which the reply has been saved, right? Maybe that I'll have to update it, no problem. So this is the whole application, the look and feel of the application I've already showed you. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much. Keep supporting my channel and keep sharing the videos. And if you want these kind of applications, if you want to build these kind of applications, you're most welcome to take my courses. I'm going to help you there in building these kind of amazing applications. And we'll talk about some great technologies like Elasticsearch, Laravel, Angular, React, right? And we will together build different, amazing, bigger applications. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead, guys.